Alright guys, how you guys doing? Listen, wonders shall never end or can never end with our government. When I know say yesterday we were too busy with what happened in Rivers State, but today we are going to talk about Natasha. Yes, we are back again with Natasha, Senator Natasha Akpoti. Do you know or are you aware, say these people for Senate, they go gather people for a recall to remove Natasha permanently. Remember, she's currently serving as 6 months suspension, right? The same way Rivers State governor is serving his 6 months suspension already. Although there was a lot of people said they want to challenge it from the Rivers State. But let's focus on Natasha right now. Now, the suspension, which is not enough, because Natasha is moving from one place, one pillar to another. Natasha don't go Sky News yesterday now. Sky News for UK. Go talk. Remember, she went to UN the other time. Go talk. In fact, they go my own village now for Benin. She wants to go talk there. She they go your village. Go talk. So all these things are already affecting the Senate. So because of that, they have allegedly put people together for a recall. The process of a recall, because a lot of people now, because of this lack of education and lack of explanation, now they make many of us for Nigeria, they fall victim for this kind of lies. But I'm going to take you through it so that you understand what recall is all about. But before we explain further, I want you to watch this video.
I learned that call-up exercise that is going on in the local government. How far have you people gone about it?
Well, thank you for your question. Early morning, this early morning, we were informed that we should come for an empowerment. When we get to the field, we are asked to bring our voter's card and the VIN, the number there. So we now ask why, because we heard that we should come for the empowerment. So they gave us a form to fill. You fill with your VIN and pen your signature. Then most of us will refuse that we cannot do that because we don't know that an empowerment can be done in this way. So we now left the field.
You want to tell me now that you don't know that it's issue of a recall? That
we don't know that there is an issue of a recall. So we left. Everybody left.
I will be here for the recall of Natasha Akpoti.
No, sir, we are not. We are here for an empowerment.
But we are not aware about the recall by some group of APC.
No, not at all. No. So we are here for an empowerment. We are not supposed to be here for an empowerment. And we are given an instruction to come with our voter's card. So that was the instruction given to us, that we should be here with our voter's card for an empowerment. That's all. No, there's nothing like recall. We don't have anything against our senator, for God's sake. So why did we call?
Sorry, how can we meet you?
My name is Yusuf Titilai.
From where?
From Okei local government in Kogi State, Ward 2, Ogorokubete.
Okay, then what can you tell us about the trending recall process in Kogi Central today? Okay, to be precise.
I call it to be a mess because nobody was aware of it at all. They took people to the collaboration center, deceiving them of doing empowerment, and when many of them, majority of them, get to know that what they want to do is not a normal thing to do. So all of them, they left. So I see it as a mess, and I know that they cannot do anything about that. They are just doing what people were not in support of, because I myself, I was not in support of it. even majority of people in local government were not in support of it.
Okay, then what did you have to tell us about Senator Natasha? Is Senator Natasha representing you well at the Senate?
In fact, that woman has done a lot of things. He has done more than what others people have not done before. Other Senate, we have not even benefit of what they are going to the house to do before, but now that we know we have a Senate.
All right, what is a recall? Because we need to take this so that people will understand what recall is all about. You know, let's take it from here. As you can see there, a recall election. A recall election, also called a recall referendum, recall petition, or representative recall, is a procedure by which voters can remove an elected official from office through a referendum before that official's term of office has ended. Now, what will be recall be that? You understand? Then it means that before your first 4 years is over, you can still be removed by the same people who voted you in. Then I would like to take another one to make you understand much better, to see it very clear. All right, I have to go to INEC website now, to balance this whole explanation for your understanding. Frequent asked questions on recall of a member of a National Assembly, House of Assembly, or State and Area Council of the Federal Capital Territory. I understand this is very, very tiny. Don't worry, I'll read everything for your own understanding. All right, then the first answer is that, the question there, what is a recall? Why the answer here on INEC website? A petition submitted by electorate of a constituency for withdrawing their elected representative from a legislative house. Then, two, what are the steps involved in recalling a legislator? Answer: submission of petition to the chairman of INEC signed by more than 50% of the registered voters in the constituency, followed by the verification and then a referendum. Then 3. Question: is recall a function of INEC? Answer: Section 69 and Section 110 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Section 116 of the Electoral Act 2010 as amended empowers INEC to conduct recall proceedings against a member of a National Assembly, State House of Assembly, or the Area Council of the FCT upon the receipt of a valid petition alleging a loss of confidence in the member by more than 50% of voters registered to vote in that member's constituency. Now you understand what recall is all about. Yes, that is the process they wanted to take through. But the funny part of it is that many people don't understand waiting they can't do for that line. All these people where you see for queue, many of them, they are not aware waiting that they do for them. They say they call them for empowerment. Yes, anybody can, listen, I've told you guys so many times that Nigerian government deliberately weaponize illiteracy on Nigerians. That's why you see majority of Nigerians are uneducated. So because of that, they can be easily deceived. They can be easily conned. They went there for empowerment, but those few of them that understand that this is not empowerment. Come with your voter's card, sign here, do this, do that. Few of them they left. Say no. Like you hear that woman they talk just now. Say no. But majority of them signed a recall referendum or petition or whatever you call it. For Natasha, Senator Natasha, to be removed permanently. You are not doing well in the House. We voted you in there. You are not doing well there. Come back home. That is what recall is all about. You see, suspending Natasha is not enough. But let's damage her permanently. That is the process of the recall these guys were doing. They paid these thousands of people you saw there or whatever, they paid all of them. You see, we have a long way to go. I've said this so many times. For these people to go extensively, either to buy, to take human lives, to do anything, show the kind of satanic desperation just to hold a public office, that means these guys are not portraying this desperation because of you and I. They are doing it for their selfish interest. How sad this can be. Look at what is happening in Rivers State right now. A whole city governor, an elected governor with its deputy, both of them have been removed. With all elected House of Assembly members, all have been suspended. And some of you insult us when we speak on air. Say, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? What do you know? Don't talk like this. Not knowing that you have right to demonstrate your constitutional rights. You have right to pour out your plight. You have right to express your displeasure. You have right to express your dissatisfaction. But because of this weaponization of illiteracy, a lot of us are very, very gullible. What do I know? What is your take of this satanic recall of Senator Natasha? Put it in the comment section. I would like to hear from you because this matter, it go long. I'm coming back again with another update. This is NWATCH Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time, so that we can interact on our live broadcast. Pour out our plight, what is affecting you and I. Take care and bye for now.